issued a tornado warning for central Boone County in north central Illinois, east central Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 7 o'clock p.m. At 6:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cherry Valley or near Rockford, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cherry Valley around 6:40 p.m. Belvedere around 6:45 p.m. Loves Park around 6:50 p.m. Timber Lane and Caledonia around 6:55 p.m. Poplar Grove around 7 o'clock p.m. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 near mile marker 123, Interstate 90 between mile markers 52 and 65. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.